how's it going? Sorry about the mess. I'm in the shed here. We're just doing another quick test. For anybody who knows, that's the controller that showed up by door blown up. I repaired it. I tested it, well, last week I tested it at 54 volts. I got the extra battery pack on the back there. This will take it up to, I believe, 75. It didn't blow up when I tested it, so that's what we're just going to take for a quick ride around the block. I'm curious to see what the settings are like when it's at a higher voltage. I found number 5, well, on this anyway, was the best at 54 volts. I ended up disconnecting the pass on the crank only because let's see, that's 73 volts. The controller does have an issue where it doesn't work very good with the e-brake, and you'll have to fight it to stop it sometimes. And it's not the switch on the brake lever itself; it's the controller. So I disconnected the pass. I'm basically just using the throttle for now. It'll do until I swap that out. I have a few other ones I want to try out, and so I'm probably going to end up yanking that. I'm not too happy with it. There's other damage to it besides the vents being blown. But let's take this out, and I'm just curious to see how this thing boots around. I had to be careful also because there's all the weights on the back, and I've already done a wheelie once already with it, so that would be bad. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed that or not in the video, but when you overvolt this controller, there's definitely issues with it. It doesn't get super hot, which is surprisingly considering it's got different FETs in it. Probably 3 different types of FETs. It does have an issue with the throttle, though. I don't know if you noticed or not, but when I hit the throttle, it's got 2 settings, on and off. It doesn't. It's not variable. Like I can give it a little bit of juice, it does nothing. It only works if it's halfway down, and it's just on and off. It's not variable, so that's kind of scary. Yeah, we're gonna swap that out and see if we. It's too bad too because it was very efficient. So anyway, see you in the next one, guys.